How to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal failed. So I'm going to show you some reasons and how you can fix them. The first reason might be because your identity is not verified. Cash App requires full identity verification before allowing Bitcoin withdrawals. So you want to go to your profile and verify your identity using your ID, full name, date of birth, and social security number. Violations of limits. You may have hit your daily or weekly Bitcoin withdrawal limit. You want to wait until your limit resets or apply to increase it under settings. As for suspicious activity, the system may have flagged your transaction as suspicious or unusual. The fix is making sure your account activity is legit. Avoid using VPNs or third-party apps. Security reasons. If your account shows signs of unauthorized access, Cash App may cancel the withdrawal. The fix is changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication. Wrong wallet address. This is going to be the fifth and final reason. If you entered an invalid or incompatible Bitcoin address, the withdrawal will be blocked. Double check the wallet address that it's correct and Bitcoin compatible. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.